God is rebuilding the walls. God is taking the scales away. God is aligning visions. God is bringing purpose together. Just like the days of Ezekiel, today we raise a battle cry. Let flesh come back to flesh. Let bones come back to bones. Let sinews come together. Let there be a rattling. Let the armies of the Lord rise. For in the last days he will pour out his spirit upon all flesh. The young men shall see visions. The young daughters shall prophesy. The old men shall dream dreams. And none of the words of prophecy will be unfulfilled. Today, visions are coming together. Purpose is aligning to the will of the Lord. Let everyone and everything that is supposed to be according to the word of the Lord in this end time begin to fulfill prophecy. Out of our belly shall flow rivers of living water. Let there be an alarming in the spirit. Let there be an alarming in the spirit of anyone who is supposed to be part of this end time prophecy. Thank you, Lord, for you have said it and you have done it. But this is the confidence that we have in you, that upon this truth you will build your church. And the gates of hell, even though they come against us, will not prevail. This is your time, Lord. This is the time of our God. And none of his words will be unfulfilled.